Simplify assuming no denominators equal 0. So on this one, first thing we need to do is we need to factor each of these out. So let's just write this again. In fact, I'll factor above and below, but then we'll rewrite it. So for this first one, we're looking for factors of -4 that add up to +3. In this case, we're going to have x plus 4 and x minus 1. I know 4 times -1, I'll write that 4 a little better. 4 times -1 is -4. 4 plus -1 gives us +3. Okay, the second one, -3x minus 3. Well, I can see I can factor a -3 out. Let's start there. Can that go any further? Doesn't look like it can. It's not squared, so that's a good clue that we're done there. Okay, x squared minus 1. This might be a tricky one to see, but these are both perfect squares. So x squared is a perfect square, 1 is a perfect square, and so this is just a difference of squares, which we can factor to x plus 1 and x minus 1. Again, you can multiply this out to check. Okay, this last one, x squared minus x minus 20, we're looking for factors of -20 that add up to -1. Well, in that case, we're going to have -5 times 4. -5 times 4 is -20. -5 plus 4 equals a -1, which is the number in front of x here. So we'll have x minus 5 and x plus 4. So those are all factored. Let's rewrite this. So we have x plus 4 times x minus 1 over x plus 1 times x minus 1 times -3 times x minus 1 over x minus 5 times x plus 4. Now we notice this is multiply, so we don't need to flip anything, but we can cross cancel. So let's go ahead and cross cancel. I can see I've got an x plus 4 here and here. This is my favorite part. It's so fun. So x minus 1, there's actually two choices, but we can only cancel it once. So x minus 1 will cancel there. X plus 1 and x minus 1 cannot cancel because these are completely different numbers. And so it looks like that's going to be it. Now we just multiply straight across the top and straight across the bottom. So we'll have -3 times x minus 1 in the numerator, and the denominator we will have x plus 1 and x minus 5. Now you can multiply this out if you want, or you can leave this as your final answer.